This is going to have, when you get so deep, there's nothing you can do, right?
Yeah, well.
We might be getting there?
Yeah.
Are you thinking we might be getting there?
Yeah. Thinking all of this lane changing is...
Got you worried?
Yeah.
What about over here? Space.
Yeah, because people, I mean, nobody's driving in this lane. There's a reason for that.
But see, I think it's nice and calm right now. Because we get to carve our own path. That's what I think. See how calm it is over here? It's like we're skiing on a hill that nobody's found. Stace?
Okay.
Don't you?
I'm just afraid you don't know how deep it is and it'll pull you into the ditch.
You gonna pull me in?
If you hit a really deep spot, you're screwed.
Could be. Yeah. Like this?
Like that. Well, now you got something on the GoPro. Holy shit.
How nice was it?
Oh my gosh.
Don't say I can't handle that. And I come back across.
Oh my gosh.